Let's talk about project management, focusing on Agile user stories. First of all, what is Agile? This is a project management methodology that uses short development cycles called sprints to focus on continuous improvement in the development of a product or service. What is a user story, you may ask? This is a description of a product, feature, or a requirement from a user's perspective. Some of the qualities of a user story include independence, that is, each user story should be self-contained from all other user stories in the product backlog. Negotiability. This means that the team is able to negotiate what is on a user story. Value. This means every user story should actually have a value. And finally, the estimates. This means every user story should be written in a way that each team and member can read it. Let's now have a look at the 3 C's principle. The first C is for conversation. These are discussions between team members and product owner to make sure that the product is being built according to the requirements. The second C is for confirmation, which means the product owner has to confirm that everything has been done exactly the way he or she wanted it to be. Finally, card. You should know that user stories are captured on story cards, and the team reads the card before building the features. But who writes the user stories? Anyone in an Agile team can and should write user stories. However, the product owner is responsible for making sure that the user stories are written and that the product backlog is managed. Writing user story using the 3R's concept, that is, role, which explains what type of user the feature is aimed at. Requirement, which explains what the user should be able to do, and reason or ROI, which explains what the value is to the user or business. The purpose of acceptance criteria is to articulate precisely when the user story is done from the product owner's perspective. Then there is epics, which are larger user stories. Epics usually cannot be done in one sprint and can be broken down into several user stories. Call us today through 0792 985 380 or email us via info@trendpro.co.ke. You can visit www.trendpro.co.ke for more details.